What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to replace your filter on your Trane S8X1 furnace. Now here's a replacement filter. The size on mine is 20 by 25 by 4, and it's recommended that you replace it every 6 months, but if you have pets, a lot of hair, I'd recommend you do it even sooner, maybe 3 to 4 months. This one's an MRV12, and it's supposed to clean out a lot of the particulates, but I'd recommend you don't go as high and maybe go like a lower MRV rating and replace them more often, like maybe 3 months for optimal efficiency. So I put less strain on my furnace. That's what I'm doing on my next order. Is I'm going MRV 8. So what you're going to do is pop this latch here. Okay. I've already taken out the old filter. Okay, just basically pull it out. And then what you're going to do is put the new one in. The key here is when you're reinserting the filter, the airflow has to be pointing up towards the furnace itself. So just slide it in. Once you do that, simply just slide it in. Just like that. And then just take your cover, latch the back, just snap it in. Put some masking tape and right when your next filter change is due so you'll remember. Put a reminder on your phone. If this video has helped you out, please thumbs up and subscribe. I got many more how-to videos that save you time and money. Peace out.